Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see, I decided to do something more creative, advanced, and something that took me almost 9 hours of filming. Yeah, I did have like hour and a half break, but besides that, everything else is just filming and doing makeup, so this is a really long process. As I'm saying this, I still have to film intro and arrange some other stuff, but yeah, hopefully I will manage to do everything under 10 hours. So anyways, thank you guys for being here, and let's just jump into this tutorial so you can see how I created this makeup look. So first thing I'm going to do is to apply PLouise Rumor shade 02. My eyebrows are already done, and also I'm using flat brush from Acid Rain collection. I'm using this brush all the time. It is so easy to use, and I like the fact that it's really thin. Just gonna blend a little bit. I have a feeling that this is going to be a long day. As usual, when I'm filming 10 cut creases on one eye, what else to expect? And I'm gonna tell you in the end how many hours actually took me today to film everything. Actually, I'm curious. First thing I'm going to do is to create a deep blue guideline. I'm using NYX Professional Brush number 42 and from StaceyMarie Carnival palette, shade Mood. Take the excess off and start to blend. Now this is also brush from NYX Cosmetics, and this is number 44. So as you can tell, this line is pretty much high. It is super close to eyebrows. But then in order to place everything else on my crease, then I had to do this step like this. And now I am going in with some green color. And this is actually of colors Nuke and the Hype. I'm using Makeup Forever Bullet brush, but you can use any similar brush. Instead of having contour, I'm going to place eyeshadow where I would usually put my contour. See, as I'm using this green contour, as I'm using this green eyeshadow, I'm going into my eyebrows. So right now I'm just playing with this light green color a bit. And then I'm going to add a bit of yellow. So first I'm going to blend this green. Like I said, I'm acting like this is my contour. And now I'm using this darker color from NYX, and this is wrong brush. I need smaller brush, so I am using from NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Shadow Palette, this darker yellow color above this light green, and this is going to make beautiful transition. Okay, so this is too much of yellow color that I would like to have, so I will blend this in. See, I'm trying to follow my eyebrow line, so when I cut crease, so that this line follows my eyebrow as much as possible. For my purple, I chose Wasted color from same palette. If you watched a review from StaceyMarie Carnival palette that I did, this is one of my favorite colors from that palette. Anyways, if you are looking for pigmented eyeshadows, this palette from BPerfect it's a good deal, and you have plenty of eyeshadows to choose from. So I've just realized I have to put eyeshadow all the way to my hairline, so I need more of base. Since I am using Ultimate palette, I think I'm gonna go with this color right here. I will try to make this transition smooth as possible between my eyebrows, but I don't like how pink it looks. I'm going to take a bit of this color just on the edges. After blending this right here, I'm going to take whatever is left on my brush and just go again Going back with deep blue color and mix it into this purple. So now I'm going to take some Vaseline to cut my crease. If you're not using this product for cutting your crease, I highly recommend it. It makes it so much easier and it makes your crease so clean. Now when I applied some product, I'm just going to remove any color first and then repeat the process until I reach the shape that I need. So this actually was a mixture of PLouise two bases, and then I added some yellow and green eyeshadow in order to achieve this color. This part right here has to be more green, so I will add more eyeshadow in here also and clean everything underneath. So again, taking some Vaseline, and this right here has to be shorter, so I am going to remove a bit. So every time you use Vaseline, when you take your brush and clean eyeshadow, then make sure your brush is clean and repeat the process so you don't have excess of eyeshadow on your brush. It's very important. Yeah, it's insane how much time this takes, and this is just actually the beginning when it comes to eyes. So I'm going to add a bit of a green color in the beginning so I can make a transition from green to blue-green color. So next thing I'm going to do is to take blank canvas and just apply it across my lid. Now once base is applied, I'm using matte white eyeshadow. This one is from Illamasqua Artistry palette. So now I'm going in with this color right here. This is again from NYX palette. Then I'm using color Showboat from Carnival palette. Then I'm gonna grab again shade Mood and apply this one on the outer corner. Now I'm going to cut this outer part, and I am using Vaseline first. So I just realized I've touched something on my camera and my footage is blurred and I don't know what I'm going to use from my last footage. Anyways, I'm filling in this part with PLouise paint. So now it is time to use more paint, and I'm mixing these two. I will clear this underneath later. I just want to make a shape first. So let's see, it has to go through this purple eyeshadow as well to cut this eyeshadow and go up. Now I am taking the blank canvas, another purple. This one will be much shorter in the end. So for my lower lash line, I put some Ecstasy paint in my waterline and underneath my eyelashes. I'm also gonna go a bit with Rumor base number 2, just underneath, because I do have a lot of eyeshadow, so I want to cover everything up. Now this is again shade Mood. When it comes to green color, I am going to use Showboat and Hype color. So now it is time for a little bit of purple. This is color Wasted. In the meantime, off the camera, I added some rhinestones and I also put some eyelashes I will link everything in the description box down below. And also I did add a little bit of green pencil. And now I started to do my base, and I will finish this off the camera because I wanted this to be more focused on just on the eyes. So I will be back once I finish the rest of my face. This is final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will link everything in the description box down below so you can check all the products. And I just want to mention that today's lenses that I'm wearing are from TTDI. These are HD green gray lenses, and they're a bit darker and they have like green tint to them in comparison with Polar Light Gray. They are super bright, and these are a bit toned down. So if you want to check the difference, I will link that video also. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!